me, motherfucking police officer. Fuck you. Bullets in, fuck that shit, man. I'm tired of you motherfuckers fucking with me. That's why y'all always get fucked on, motherfucker. Shit, y'all always tweaking, man.
Get the motherfucker down and shut the fuck up.
Shit, man, I'm tired of you motherfuckers fucking with me all the time, man. Tired of this shit, man. I'ma call my bitch, she gon' come get me up out this motherfucker. Hey, what you smiling at the corner, nigga? Shut up and pass me a cigarette, fool. And I'm telling you, my bitch gon' come get me up out of here.
Hello?
Hello?
Leroy?
Bitch, this ain't no motherfucking Leroy. Hey, I'm in motherfucking jail, you better come get me up out